this video, you will learn how to install your new Goodyear Ultra Beam wiper blade onto a single-studded bayonet-style wiper arm. Step 1. Locate the base adapter that is pre-installed in the center of your wiper blade. It's 1.5 inches long and it tilts up and down. With your index finger, press the front end of the adapter all the way down so that the back end tilts upward. Step 2. Find the slot located on the back end of the adapter. Move the wiper blade horizontally towards the wiper arm so that the bayonet slides into the slot until it clicks. Step 3. Make sure that the stud at the top of the wiper arm fits perfectly inside the hole located on the adapter. Step 4. Remove the squeegee protector and gently bring the wiper blade onto your windshield to complete the installation. Thank you for choosing Goodyear wiper blades. For further assistance, please visit our website www.goodyearwiperblade.com.